Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Gemiini. So today you guys, I decided to film this super duper easy natural makeup tutorial. This video is a watch and learn. It is not a voiceover. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this natural look. Okay, and also go ahead and click the subscribe button, because you know it'll help the girl out a lot, and you know to keep me motivated to keep pushing these videos out for you guys. And also click the bell so you can be notified when I do post new videos, because you guys don't want to miss anything. Okay, you guys don't want to miss a beat from me, so go ahead and subscribe and also click the bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Okay, mwah.